This one is awesome. I love it. So this is the stick turns. And we're not just gonna do one way, the other way. That's not how this exercise works. You can also grab a broomstick if you have a broom, or a PVC plastic pipe. Get creative. A rod, a shower curtain rod. I've done that before, taking it to the airport. And they thought, oh, you shouldn't go in there with that. It's a weapon. I was like, no, it's my cane. I just did it, right? But you can travel with it too. Okay, so here you go. I'm just gonna keep your arms here straight. Now, I actually like this one just for doing this alone, because I can pull my neck around it and I can really get to mobilize my upper spine, which most of us are stuck and locked there. So it's very important to just be able to do this movement right here. Okay, so then after you do that enough times, you feel good, then you can start going sideways, right? Now for me, I don't just go sideways. I go up like that because you don't normally move that way. So think of all the positions that you don't normally move and do those, because you really don't want your muscles getting stuck. You want them free. They're not wrapped around your spine, hurting you. Right there, oh, it just popped a whole bunch. That felt delightful. Okay, and then I can go backwards like so as well. And I can even use this arm to push me back more. And then I can even go up a little bit like that. Wherever I feel it tight, that's where I need to work on. Just breathing. And you'll notice once you get in tune with your body starts doing the moves and you don't have to think about it. It's like, oh, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna do that. And that's when your body is trying to really balance you and help heal you. So this is so easy, you can just do this at your house. But it's like, make a competition with yourself. How much can I really turn? You know, how much can I turn? And your abs are gonna start getting defined too. You're not really working the abs, but you're just, oh yeah, that feels so good. You know, can you go up and around? And then you can even go down here. And then this is stretching the hamstring. And it's painful at times, right? Just breathe. And turn when you're down here. And don't get discouraged because you see me being very mobile, okay? I've been working on this. But the more you push yourself, the better you're gonna do. Now, I do suggest you stay hydrated. That's why you always see me here with my hydrogen water, because this water is providing antioxidants for you. And antioxidants are gonna help fight those free radicals and the toxins, and they're gonna help you recover faster from your exercise and help slow down the lactic acid. So it's very important to flush those muscles, and it does it the best. And you can check it out at healthyhydration.com and get yourself some, because I really suggest it. And also the Hydra FX, the supplement you take internally, helps your body make it, and it helps rebalance your gut, because your brain, your gut communicate. You really want good gut health. Here's friends. Let me know how you do with this.